In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your Amazon cart to someone using this comprehensive 2025 full guide. Whether you're wanting to share a wish list or need someone to double check your items, this process is straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through it every step of the way. First, let's start by opening Amazon in your preferred web browser. It's always a good idea to make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. Once you've done that, head straight to your basket by clicking the cart icon, usually located at the top right of your Amazon page. This icon will direct you to your shopping basket, where you'll find all the items you've added but haven't yet purchased. After you're into your basket, the next step is to locate the Share option. It might be a small button, often found somewhere within the basket view, so take a moment to find it. Clicking this button is crucial because it's your gateway to sharing your cart with others. Once you've clicked on the Share button, you'll have some options to choose from. Let's say you want to quickly send this to your friends via social media. You can easily do this by selecting from several social media icons that might appear, such as Pinterest, Facebook, or Twitter. Each of these platforms will have slightly different steps, but they're generally straightforward. Just click the icon of your chosen network, log in if prompted, and follow the prompts to share your cart. This method is perfect for casual sharing or when interacting with someone directly on these platforms. However, if social media isn't your preferred method, or maybe it doesn't suit the recipient, there's also a classic alternative available: copying the link. This option gives you a direct URL to your cart, which you can then paste into an email, text message, or any other means of communication you prefer. To do this, simply find and click the copy link option, which typically appears after you hit the share button. Once you've copied the link to your clipboard, navigate to your email or messaging app, paste the link, and send it off. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can share your Amazon cart with anyone you choose. Whether you're engaging through direct social media sharing or sending a traditional link via email, this guide should help you ensure the process is smooth and easy. So next time you think about buying something from Amazon but want a second opinion, or perhaps you're coordinating a gift list with family, you'll be well equipped to share your selections with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.